I just look at the comments on social media posts and I could see the aggression and I could see the disagreements turning into pure, complete, unadulterated anger. So having a conversation with someone you disagree with, but rather debating or discussing the contentious issue is really the way to go, instead of going boom, head to head. And so we don't, go head to head battle and, like WWF or WWE, jump off the ropes and, and all this kind of crazy stuff and attack each other. And that's really, a mature way of handling situations. If you can getting into a debate, what I've seen a lot in actually the more recent years is people really want to even physically attack the other person. And we have to really work to get out of that situation. Just because somebody disagrees with what you have to say or disagrees with the system of how you operate, how you move, doesn't mean you have to attack that person. You can explain your side and then leave it at that and let that person explain their side and leave it at that as well.